Welcome back to my channel. If you ever struggle to edit or manage PDF files, today's video is going to make your life much easier. Stay tuned, this tool might be exactly what you are looking for. So first, open your browser and type SwifDoo PDF in the search bar. Click on the official site. The link is also available right below in the description for your convenience. Once the site opens, you will immediately notice the clean and modern layout. Right on the homepage, it says AI-powered all-in-one PDF software. If you hover over the product sections, you will see that the SwifDoo PDF is available for Windows, Mac, iPhone, iPad and even Android. So you can use it on basically any device you prefer. Now if you go to the features tabs, you will find all the powerful actions these tools can perform. Edit, convert, merge, compress, and yes, it even has an AI-powered chat with PDF features. The interface is super neat and beginner friendly. If you scroll down a bit more on the homepage, you will also notice features like OCR, e-signature, PDF translation, and of course the ability to edit and convert PDF easily. It's really a complete package. So let's go ahead and download it. Just click on the free download button. It's a very small file, so it should download quickly. Once the downloaded, double click the installer file to start the installation. And make sure the agree to the service agreement checkbox is ticked. Then click on install now. The installation process will begin and it usually finishes in under a minute. Once it's done, click on start now. The software will open and you will see a sample PDF already loaded. But before get started, you need to sign in to unlock the free features. By signing in, you will get 1 GB of free cloud storage, 10 free AI questions and the ability to analyze your PDF files using AI. So I am just going to quickly sign in. Once you are signed in, click on start and here you can open the PDF files you want to work with. You can use the hand tool to scroll up and down through the documents. If you click on the select, and from here you can highlight any portion of text. Once selected, a small box will pop up. You can copy the selected text from here and then you can paste it anywhere, like in Word or Notepad. You can also highlight important text from here, and you can also underline any text you want or even strike through any part you don't need. And yes, you can even increase the font size if the default one feels too small. Now let's say you want to edit the text. So just click on the edit tab at the top and instantly your files become editable just like a Word document. You can click anywhere and start typing. It's smooth and surprisingly accurate. Now here's something super cool. SwifDoo allows you to translate any selected text into different languages instantly. So just select the part you want and choose your preferred language from here and the tool will do the rest. It's one of my favorite features and it's incredibly useful for global users. Under the edit tab, you can insert new text or even click add image to insert logos or pictures you want. Okay, so just choose the area where you want the image, pick your files and it will be placed perfectly inside the documents. Super easy and very precise. You can also split your screen for better productivity. View documents side by side by splitting horizontally or vertically. Now head over to the view tab. Here you will find the theme options. So switch between light mode or dark mode, whichever feels easier on your eyes. Especially useful if you are working at night for the long hours. Now go to the annotate sections and you will find tons of tools over here. Highlight, underline, pencil, shapes, stamps, you name it. Perfect for student, editor or anyone reviewing documents. Now let's go to the convert tab. This is something we all need at some point. Choose the format you want, whether it is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, image or HTML. Now click on the protect tab. This is where you secure your documents. So first up is e-signature. You can draw a signature using your mouse or touchpad, or you can even upload an image of your handwritten signature. Once saved, just drag and drop it anywhere in your PDF. It's perfect for contract or application forms. You will also find the watermark options over here. You can add text like confidential or draft or upload an image to use as your watermark. Another super handy feature here is encryptions. You can set an open password to stop people from viewing the PDF without permission. or you can set a permission password to prevent editing, copying or printing. You can even remove an existing password if you have access. Okay. So now click on the share button and you can directly send your files to email, Dropbox or Google Drive. This saves you from the extra step for downloading and re-uploading. Once again, I want to highlight the convert tab because this is honestly one of the strongest point of SwifDoo PDF. So choose the format you want, select your output folder and hit start, and your PDF will be converted within a seconds with all formatting kept intact and the quality remains top notch. By the way, all of this comes with a free version. If you want to unlock more advanced features or remove limits, you can check out their paid plans. They offer monthly, yearly and lifetime license depending on your needs. So that's SwifDoo PDF, a powerful yet easy to use PDF editor that truly stands out in the crowd. It's all just a click away. Plus the AI tools make it super smart and efficient, saving you tons of time and efforts. If you want to hassle-free experience with your PDF, this is the tool to go for. So if you found this video helpful guys, give it a like, share it with someone who might need it and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.